Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix sound not working on your MacBook Pro M5. So first of all, it might be obvious, but try adjusting the sound manually using either sound control buttons, so F10 to F12. F10 will mute and unmute your sound, F10 and F11 and to F12 will change the sound volume. And if this doesn't help you, then we can check the sound output. Sometimes it gets sometimes we leave it on another device or accidentally leave it to another device, and then we cannot hear the sound because of that. So to do that, go to System Settings on your MacBook, and after going to System Settings, scroll down to Sound on the sidebar, open the Sound menu, and here we're gonna have to select check the Output tab and make sure that it's directed to your MacBook Pro speakers if you want to use speakers, or headphones respectively if you want to use headphones. And after that, check your sound volume once again. And if it still won't help you, then we can reset the audio drivers. And to do that, we're gonna have to open our terminal. So open your terminal, and in terminal we're gonna have to input the command sudo, then killall, and then od. No, it was something coreaudiod. So coreaudiod. So make sure to enter this command properly, then press enter, and then enter your password, and then press enter once again, and this will erase your drivers. And then we're gonna have to go to the Apple logo once again and restart our computer. Click restart, and then wait until your device is rebooted. After your device is restarted, check your speakers once again, and they should be working by now, except for when it's a hardware issue, or if something more advanced, some more advanced issue is present here. Now it's hard to tell which more advanced issues might be related to this, might be causing this, but generally speaking, if you open the Go menu on your desktop and then hold down the Options key, you will see the library in the results. Select library, and then in the library we're gonna have to select audio. So select audio, open this folder, and here go to plugins, and here is the sample of what you see on the clean macOS with no plugins. So if you see some other folders, then there is most probably some plugin that interferes with your original driver. So make sure that you have no other folders in here. And if you do have, for example, if you have the MS Teams audio device driver here, if you have an HLL with MS Teams audio device driver, then you're gonna have to delete this driver. But for more specific, the specifics can be different, and with some files you have to deal in another way, and you should check the internet for your specific situation. So just check what additional folder you have in here, and see how to deal with it properly to remove the driver from your MacBook. Now the other thing is the hardware issues. To check for the hardware issues with your audio, with your speakers, we're gonna have to shut down the laptop. So go to the Apple logo, select shut down, wait until device shuts down completely, and then we're gonna have to access the diagnostics menu. Now to do that, we're gonna have to hold down the power button. At some point we'll see the message to continue holding for startup options, and continue holding your power button until you see the loading startup options. sign. Then you can release the power button and just wait until your device is started. Okay, so right now, once you see this screen, Macintosh HD and options, you're gonna have to press and hold Command and D simultaneously until your device's screen goes off. Then wait for the Diagnostics menu to appear on your screen. And here we want to select Continue, then choose a Wi-Fi network, preferably the one that you usually use, so that you can click Continue and not enter the password to it. Then agree to repair privacy policy. And in the following menu, press Continue. And then wait for the Diagnostics option to appear. Okay, and so here we have to click Audio, run audio tests. So click Play next to Audio option. And the testing will take about 1 minute. Yeah, and you're gonna hear some unpleasant sounds in the process. But it's actually a good sign. Okay, so I'm sorry to expose you to this audio madness, but yeah, if you want to check your headphones too, you have to connect them to headphone jack. Then do not wear them, and just leave them alone and click Continue. Otherwise, click Cancel. Okay, let's click Continue and just skip this test. So yeah, if you could have heard the sounds, then there should be no issue. But generally, if you click the information icon next to audio, here you will see all the tests that passed. So headphone, codec, microphone test, and speaker controller presence check. So this one is the main thing. So whether or not the speaker controller is here, and if your laptop doesn't pass this test, then it means that there is a hardware issue. If your device passed this test, then restart your computer, and anyway, restart your computer by navigating to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, and continue resolving the software issue by probably removing some of the plugins that interferes with your audio. And so that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.